Back at it, family. Here we go. So Porsche Macan T, black view, 2-channel. Let's get started. So we start. Camera's going to get mounted here behind the mirror. Driver's side. It will be mounted behind the mirror. We pop the surround down. We run the cables through the surround here for the sensors, the rain sensors. Run that down the roof lining, and I pulled the A-pillar off. Sorry, I needed 2 hands, so I couldn't show you guys how to do it. But it's literally just one T20 bolt screw right there, and then it's just 2 metal clips. And then as you see the factory loom here, we're going to run it in through here, pop these up, and then run the dash cam wire through here. Use the factory airbag, and it'll be up. Let's get it.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
To get a hold of yourself.
So we're going to get to the 13 volt. You've got the red line is a constant, and then the next strip destination. And that's all we need to wire up the dash cam.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.